Hi, I'm Peter Wishart from Facelift for Homes and Retractor Screen here in our Cheltenham showroom. This is our awning range. Awnings are actually a wind out style window. This is our 92mm frame here, which is a heavier gauge so we can do larger panels. We find most companies actually have their transom rail up about 700, 750mm. We keep ours down to 600 because we've found that couches are actually go up to about there. So therefore, when you put a horizontal transom rail there, you'll see it over the top of your couch. So we try to hide these behind the couch. So it just makes it more panoramic type view and it just looks more attractive and you get a larger area to look into here. Because all these windows are double glazed, you don't want any air seeping through the sash part of it here. These are a seal on the inside, a bulb seal on the inside and another seal on the outside. So when that winds in, it's virtually airtight. So you'll find that, especially with double glazing, you won't leak any air or there won't be any wind coming through your windows. So that's a real benefit of all our awning windows. This is a finer frame. It's only got a 50mm frame and the sash itself is a 40mm sash. Featuring here, we have a stainless steel chain that goes through to the winder here and a locking mechanism. So if you need to lock the actual window itself, you push the button in here, take the key out, and you can't wind it out, you can wind it in. You can hear that clicking motion. It clicks in like that, and that completely winds it in, so that's completely locked now. That happens with all our windows. Now, if we're replacing a window in your house that's got to match in with other ones, and you want to look the same, we can make the transom rail, the horizontal transom rail, the same as what you have at home at that sort of height, if you like. But if you are looking at replacing all the windows, I suggest we take it down to about 600mm, and it just looks more attractive, and you get a larger area to look into here. Now, if you do want a panoramic view of your outside garden, this is our 92mm frame with a 60mm sash, but we can have these up to 2.1 metres in actual height. So therefore, you don't have to have that horizontal transom rail there. So we can do a large panel of glass like this, and this is all safety glass, obviously. And all the windows in the showroom here are double glazed. Not that you'd notice because double glazed looks the same as single glazed, they're just a lot thicker. The only disadvantage of this particular frame here, if you do want it opening, we can do a fixed section if you want, or we have a winding mechanism in the bottom. A little bit hard with older people like myself, it's got a bit of a bad builder's back. You can open the window like that. It's got a stainless steel chain, same as the others, and it's got a lock here. So it's very, very easy to close that up there. So there are our awning wind out style windows in our Cheltenham showroom.